Best OBS settings for recording in 2025 with no lag recording. Now, maybe if you have a fairly low-end or mid-tier device or PC, and then whenever you stream, it's just that it's quite laggy. Whenever you're recording also, it's quite laggy. Now, what you do is, first of all, you open up OBS Studio, and from the bottom right, you can see the option called Settings. So you can just go to Settings. From here on the left hand side, first of all, you go to stream and make sure you've connected your service. So whether you're streaming to Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and so on, hit the connect account button, which is recommended, and make sure it connects it. After that, you want to simply go to output. From output, if it's set to simple, right, the output mode, you want to select that simple and select advanced. Now, instead of streaming, we're just going to go to the recording type. The recording type, it doesn't matter, because as long as the streaming quality is good, you can compromise with the recording quality. So you can go to this type option here, you can choose standard, or you can select custom output like FFmpeg and so on. And you can choose a recording path, the recording format also you can set a .mov instead of .mp4, because .mp4 takes a larger amount of CPU usage. So you can save it as a .mov as it is selected right here. You can choose a video encoder like the one that you set for stream, the audio encoder as well, and after you've done this, you can save the changes. If you go to streaming option also, you can customize a couple of streaming options to basically lower it. Here under rescale output, you have got a resolution. You must set this resolution to the one that your monitor or your game or app actually supports. And after you've done that, click the apply button and just hit the OK button. This way you'll be able to find out the best OBS streaming settings and recording settings. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.